Hi, my name is Ashwani Kumar. It is a GATE 2019 problem, and this problem is regarding the subject control systems. And the subtopic is block diagram reduction. It's almost a direct problem, so most of the students can able to directly solve out this one. So here the block diagram of a system is illustrated in the figure shown, where x of s is the input and y of s is the output. It is a x of s is the input and y of s is the output, and is asking to find out the transfer function h of s is equal to y of s by x of s. So generally the definition of the transfer function is that transfer function, if I said that h of s is the transfer function, the definition to the transfer function is Laplace of the output divided by Laplace of the input. It can also be defined as a Laplace of the response divided by Laplace of the excitation. So here y of s is the Laplace of the response and x of s is the Laplace of the excitation. So the ratio between both these two is nothing but a transfer function. Okay. So now according to the given problem, so here observe both these two blocks in parallel section, and here it is plus and it is plus. Okay. So if both the two blocks are in parallel section, then we can able to add both these two, and addition or subtraction that depends upon these things. Okay, if plus is there, that means look here yes plus, that means it can also be written as pluses, and here it is coming plus 1 by s, plus 1 by s. So both these two are summing here, that means I can add both these two. Okay, so pluses plus 1 by s, and here summation is this, so I can add both these two, that means plus s plus of plus 1 by s. So it can be written as s plus 1 by s. That means this complete block diagram, that means this complete thing can be substituted with a single block, that is s plus 1 by s. Okay. So now I'm going to draw the equivalent block diagram here. S plus 1 by s. Okay, so it is the equivalent diagram of this one after reducing both these two blocks into like this, and it is the excitation, that is x of s, and it is the response, that is y of s. Okay, so now while coming to this one, look this section. If you look this section, then it just looks like a unity negative feedback. Okay, so here 1, h of s is equal to 1, and here what type of feedback is there? Negative feedback is there. So I'm just separating this block and drawing here, then it just looks like s plus 1 by s minus. Okay, so it is a this part I just drawn here, and what is the equivalent of this one? So generally a unity negative feedback thing, if it is a g of s and here a h of s, that is equal to 1, if it is a g of s, then the transfer function formula we can write that g of s divided by 1 plus g of s into h of s, that we can write down. So here in the place of g of s I am having s plus 1 by s divided by 1 plus s plus 1 by s, it is a g of s, and h of s is 1 here, so into 1. So if I simplify this expression, it is a simplified of this one, s square plus 1 divided by s plus s square plus 1. That means in the place of this entire block, okay, so here whatever I circled here, in the place of this one I can able to simply draw a block which is having the this expression, that is s square plus 1 divided by s plus s square plus 1. that can be and this block diagram can be represented as, so this entire block diagram can be represented like this. See here, s square plus 1 by s square plus s plus 1, that means this expression, that is a reduced of this one, and here already 1 by s is there, so I just simply took the 1 by s here, and here one unity negative feedback is there. I simply represented this unity negative feedback. Okay, so here both these two blocks are in series, so the series blocks can be multiplied with each other, and if the blocks are in parallel, it's a arithmetic addition will be taken place. So here both these two blocks are in series, so that's why I can able to multiply both these two, and the simplified block diagram I'm showing here. So my simplified block diagram will be like this. So I just multiplied both these two here, and this entire block diagram is look like it's a g of s, and here h of s is equal to 1, that means unity feedback, and which type of feedback it is, negative feedback. So my expression will be g of s by 1 plus g of s into h of s. So now the transfer function, that is y of s by x of s, can be taken as y of s by x of s, can be taken as, it is this one, it's just nothing but g of s, okay, g of s s square plus 1 whole divided by s of s square plus s plus 1 divided by 1 plus, again we are writing the g of s here, s square plus 1 divided by s of s square plus s plus 1 into h of s. What is the h of s here? H of s is 1. So if I simplify this expression, then I am going to get like this, that is s square plus 1 divided by s of s square plus s plus 1 plus s square plus 1. Okay, if I later on simplify this expression, then s square plus 1 divided by, just multiply this s with all these things, then I will get s cube plus s square plus s plus s square plus 1, that is equal to s square plus 1 all divided by s cube plus, here two s squares are there, I will get the 2s square plus s plus 1. So finally it is a simplified transfer function, that is y of s by x of s. So just look out this expression which is matching with the following options. Option A is s square plus 1 by s cube plus s square plus s plus 1, which is not matching with my solved expression, and the option B is s square plus 1 by s cube plus 2s square plus s plus 1, so it is perfectly matching. So the correct answer out of these four options is option B. So it is a way of solving this problem. So you must be clear about the block diagram reduction techniques. Okay, the block diagram reduction techniques here, which techniques we are following is that if the blocks are in parallel, then we have to add both these two blocks. Addition or subtraction, that depends upon this points. Okay, if plus is there, as I told earlier, that plus s plus 1 by s. So plus s and plus 1 by s, both these two are adding here. So this block diagram, both these two blocks can be reduced as a simply s plus 1 by s. Okay, later on the simplified thing s plus 1 by s is having one negative feedback in here. Okay, so unity negative feedback here, and that can be solved as, see here the general block diagram. If we are having like this, let's take it is the g of s and it is the h of s, output is y of s and input is x of s, it is sigma, and here the negative feedback is there. The general expression to this one is the general transfer function to this one is g of s divided by 1 plus g of s into h of s. Okay, so here in the place of g of s, here I am having the s plus 1 by s, and in the place of h of s I am having a unity, that means 1. So this can be solved as g of s divided by 1 plus g of s into h of s. So the simplified of this one can be taken like this. Okay, it is simplified one. And after simplifying this block, both these two blocks are in series, so I can able to multiply both these two, and after multiplication the equivalent block diagram will be looks like this. And again I am having the unity negative feedback, just like it is a g of s and here h of s is 1. So the general expression, the general transfer function is g of s by 1 plus g of s into h of s. So I'm just simply taking like this, it is the g of s divided by 1 plus g of s into h of s. So after simplifying this expression, finally I got like this, and this one is matching with the option B. Okay, it is a way of solving this one. Okay, so please subscribe my channel, like, and share to your GATE aspirants. Thank you.